If you're trying to log in to your PNC Bank account or the online banking of PNC Bank, in this video, let me show you how you can easily log into it. Either you can log into your online banking using the website of PNC, or you can also use the mobile app. If you're using your desktop, open up your web browser and search for pncbank.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the website of PNC. From the website, you'll be able to see a login option or a sign-on option on the top right. You can click on this and this menu will open up, which is this login form. Now to log into your online banking, firstly type in the user ID that you created while signing up. If you want this device to remember your user ID, you can check this box, but avoid doing this step if you are not using your personal device. In the second box, type in the password as well. If you happen to forgot either your user ID or your password of your account, you can click on the forgot ID or the password option and then follow the steps to recover it. Other than the online banking service, you can also log in to a few other accounts. If you click on this arrow, you can see there are a few accounts that you can log into. But for the online banking, this is the exact details that you need to type in, and then you just need to click on login. And if the details that you entered are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your online banking service of PNC Bank. So that's all it takes to log in to your online banking of PNC. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.